Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Jaguar XF key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob working perfectly. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the casing. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, you can pry open the two halves of the key fob. Be mindful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the internal components and the old battery. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. Take note of how the old CR 2032 battery is oriented before you remove it. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up. This ensures proper contact and functionality. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your Jaguar XF. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.